In Abrantes, the INESCTEC team prepares a state-of-the-art DJI Matrix drone for field testing, equipped with high-resolution and thermal cameras to deliver real-time wildfire surveillance, detecting hotspots, and high-resolution terrain mapping during and after fire events. The team deploys the fallback connectivity system, a tethered drone equipped with satellite internet that creates a wireless network covering several kilometers, maintaining uninterrupted communications when ground infrastructure fails. In the Overwatch project, HoloLight developed an immersive AR-based situational awareness and decision support application designed for first responders and emergency management professionals. Streaming securely from a central server to XR devices like HoloLens 2 and Quest 3, the app enables user situations such as floods or fires in real time. It provides an interactive 3D map in AR, combining satellite imagery, terrain elevation, weather data, and drone insights into a single immersive view. By visualizing critical information directly in the user's field of view, the AR app improves situational awareness, accelerates decision-making, and supports safer, more effective emergency operations. The Overwatch dashboard remains the pivot point of the whole project. It serves as geospatial portal, visualization interface, but most importantly, mission control, providing real-time environmental data and operational intelligence. The connectivity drone takes flight, establishing an aerial communications hub. Within minutes, it creates a robust wireless network bubble, linking all ground systems and providing high-speed internet access via satellite, essential for streaming live data to the command center. Local authorities, civil protection agencies, firefighters, and first responders gathered to experience the complete Overwatch architecture, a fully integrated system connecting satellites, drones, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality, exploring its wildfire management features to visualize fire perimeters, access critical infrastructure data, and coordinate response through an intuitive, hands-free interface. The demonstration also carried out a live mission. The dashboard displays the acquisition drone's position in real time as it flies over the demonstration site, with all data, altitude, GPS coordinates, and camera feed streaming directly to the command interface for monitoring.